What do you do, Christy?
Ultrasound.
Ultrasound? Have you ever had a baby?
Yes.
How old is your baby?
My oldest is 27.
Get out of here. How the fuck are you guys so young?
It's the LA air.
No, it's not the LA air. It's the LA fucking surgeon. You look incredible. You either have a good surgeon or you sleep in the freezer every night. How old I am? How old do you think I am? 50? You think I'm 50 years old? Buddy, change the lighting. Something is not making sense. You think I'm 50? I can't believe she thought I'm your age.